अरे बच्चों, आपको कल द पाथ टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ा रहा था, उसी को ध्यान से आगे देखते हुए चलें। डिस्पाइट ए लॉट ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टीज एंड हार्डशिप, द मेकर्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैड वन ग्रेट एडवांटेज as in Africa, where they had where they had to evolve consumes on many issues during drafting of constitution itself. The market of the Indian constitution did not face any such situation. A board conjures on many fundamental issues, including democracy, had been evolved even during the struggle for freedom. Our national movement was not only a struggle against a foreign rule. It was a movement to reawaken our society and to transform the society and politics. During the freedom struggle, there were sharp differences regarding the path India should take as an independent country. Some such differences still exist, but some basic ideas had been accepted by all. In the year 1928, Motilal Nehru with 8 other congressmen had prepared a constitution for India. In 1931, a draft of the Indian constitution had been presented in the session of the Indian National Congress held in Karachi. Both of these documents had laid down principles of universal adult franchise, liberty and equality, and the safeguard for the right of the minority in the independent India. In this way, certain basis values had been accepted even before sitting for forming the Indian Constitution. The knowledge and understanding of the political institution and system of the colonial rule also helped forming new political institutions. The English rulers had granted the right to note to a few people. This limited franchise gave the birth to a weak legislature after 1937. Elections to the provincial legislature in the whole of the British Indian were held. The government thus formed was not fully democratic, but forming these legislature and attending them provided a good experience to the Indian people, who later had to set up such institutions and run them. Therefore, the Indian Constitution adopted a number of such institutions and schemes of old as the Indian Government Act 1935. हमारे देश के लोगों ने अंग्रेज़ों के ही द्वारा बनाए गए 1935 के संविधान को अपनाया था, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। उसी के आगे चल रहे हैं। अब यहाँ तक मैंने कल पढ़ा दिया था। अब चलते हैं द थिंकिंग एंड deliberations of the erst while years benefited the work of deciding what kind of India should we, after independence. Our leaders had calculated so much of confidence that they did not hesitate to adopt the thoughts and experience of others to their needs. Many of our leaders were deeply influenced by the deals of the French Revolution, of the working of British parliamentary system, and the statement of the people's right in America. The Russian Revolution also influenced many Indian leaders, and they visualized a system based on social and economic equality. But they should not emulate others. They questioned at every stage whether those ideas or system would suit India. All these factors help in making of the constitution. फिर ध्यान दें, अभी हमने पढ़ा द थिंकिंग एंड डिलिब्रेशन ऑफ द इन्वेस्टर while years benefited the work of deciding what kind of Indian should we after independence. आपको संक्षेप में ये मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, इतना संघर्षों के बाद हमारा भारत देश स्वतंत्र हुआ था, इंडिपेंडेंस हुआ था, तो क्या कहते हैं, आवर लीडर हैड कैलकुलेटेड सो मच ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस that they did not hesitate to adopt the thought and experience of others to their needs. क्या है, confident that they did not hesitate to adopt the thoughts and experience of others to their needs. उन्हें किसी प्रकार की हिचक नहीं थी कि दूसरों को हम सलाह मशवरा लें, मलार्थात उन्होंने सबकी सलाह मशवरा से ये काम किया, सबके विचार लिए. फिर क्या कहते हैं, मैनी ऑफ अदर लीडर्स वर डीपली इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द आइडियाज़ ऑफ द फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन. अब देखिए यहाँ तक कि फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन के भी आइडियाज लिए, वहाँ के आदर्श अपनाए. कहते हैं फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन, द वर्किंग ऑफ ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट सिस्टम एंड द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द पीपुल्स राइट इन अमेरिका. देखिए फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन के और फिर पार्लियामेंट ऑफ इंग्लैंड के जो भी वहाँ के रूल कुछ, और अमेरिका के पीपुल्स राइट इन अमेरिका के जो अधिकार थे वो भी अपनाए. द रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन आल्सो इन्फ्लुएंस मैनी इंडियन लीडर्स and they visualize system based on the social and economic quality. और रूस के माध्यम से, रशिया के माध्यम से, रूस को ही रशिया कहते हैं, तो रूस के द्वारा सोशल और इकोनॉमिकली इक्वलिटी को अपनाया गया. कहने का मतलब हर देश से कुछ न कुछ, अच्छे देशों से कुछ अच्छे आदर्श अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में अपनाए, इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में अपना कर रखे गए हैं. जैसे आयरलैंड से डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स जो है, दिशा नीति निर्देशक सिद्धांत, उन्हें हम अपनाया है. अमेरिका के उससे अब संविधान से हमने फंडामेंटल राइट्स अब लिए. इसी तरह से अब कह रहे हैं ऐसे देशों से जो अच्छे देश हैं उनसे आदर्श ले करके अपने संविधान में संजोया है, अपने संविधान में अपनाया है. तो यहाँ पर बट दे वुड नॉट emulate others. They question at every stage whether those ideas or system would suit India. जो भारत के लिए उपयुक्त थे, सूट कर रहे थे, उनको अपनाया गया. All these factors help in making of the constitution. इन सब के सहयोग से हमारा भारत का संविधान बना था. अब कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली, संविधान सभा की निर्वाचित सभा के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि थोड़ा देखिएगा. कहते हैं एन असेंबली ऑफ इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव असाइंड विद द टास्क ऑफ राइटिंग अ ह्यूज डॉक्यूमेंट कॉल्ड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. एक बड़ा बहुत संविधान बना, इज नोन एज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली. इलेक्शन टू द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली वर हेल्ड ऑन जुलाई 1946. The Constituent Assembly held its first meeting in the December 1946. Just after it, the country was divided into India and Pakistan. The Constituent Assembly was also divided into two, the Indian Constituent Assembly and the Pak Constituent Assembly. A constitution expressed not the ideas of the member of the Constituent Assembly alone. It was embodies the broad consensus consensus of that time. Many of the countries of the world had to rewrite their constitution as existing ones contained such provisions as were not acceptable to all. The social groups are the political parties in many countries. The constitution, these are mere piece of paper like any other book, and nobody follows it. But our constitution is quite different from others. During the last half a country century, many social groups questioned some provisions of the constitution, but no major social group or political party has ever questioned the legitimacy of the constitution here. This is a great achievement of our constitution, a major cause of the acceptability of the Constitution of India is that the Constitution Assembly itself represented the Indian people. At that time, universal adult franchise did not exist. Therefore, people of India could not elect the Constituent Assembly directly. It was elected mainly by the next provincial assemblies referred to above. It was the region, but that all geographical region got proper representation in it. This assembly was dominated by the member of the Indian National Congress, which led the National Freedom Movement. But the Congress consisted of many political groups and different ideologies. Several members in the assembly did not subscribe to the ideology of the Congress. From the social point of view, all community groups, caste, classes, faith, and professions were part of this organization. Even if the Constituent Assembly had even elected on the basis of universal adult franchise, its composition could not have been very much different. The way the assembly conducted itself gives the assembly kind of scaredness and legitimacy. The task of the Constituent Assembly remained very organized, open, and based on the efforts of the evolving consensus. First, all some basic principles were decided, and an effort was made to create a anonymity. Then the drafting chairman, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, prepared a draft constitution for discussion. Every article was extensively discussed. Over 2,000 amendments were discussed. The making of the constitution took 114 days of intense discussion during the 3 years. Every proposal, every word, and everything said there was recorded, and these discussions were published in 12 volumes entitled Constituent Assembly Debates. These discussions can help understanding the basic thought and rationale behind every provision. These documents are used for interpreting the Constitution. धन्यवाद।